So I'm not sure even where to start. This house is absolute mess. Trying not to keep anything, almost like literally to get rid of everything. So we still have 42 days to go. This is all donations. This is all going to Goodwill. I want to be free of stuff. We will try to donate as much as we can. Look at my cool pants. Right now, Mila and Leo dividing some clothes for donation. Excited to move out of the house?
Yeah!
So this room is getting better. Let's see what everybody's up to. So Grandma, what are you up to?
I'm going to be gluing tile.
Ooh, so we're trying to fix this house as much as we can. So we're cleaning here. We just fix a little bit of the ceiling. The living room is still a little messy, but things are starting to look better. So everybody's working very hard here. We have 2 weeks to be done. Right now we're starting to clean Mila's room. We'll try to clean as much as we can. One more trip to Goodwill.
Yay, we're so close.
We're so close. Let's see. We don't want anything. We just want to travel the world. 21 days to go. This is so amazing. Let's go. Let's go donate everything. Traveling with just 4 carry-ons. We even not checking our luggage. Still lots of work here. We have 48 hours. Main thing that still needs so much work is this room. It's my room. Good luck to me. So this is the room we are sleeping in. Look at all these beds. It's in Grandma's house. Okay, let's see. Good morning. Oh, here's Grandma. Grandma, say hi. Good morning. Leo, are you excited to go to say goodbye to your house?
I'm kind of sad too because I miss my house, but I'm also really excited for it.
So this is our new house for the next 14 days with Miss Grandma. And we brought her all the mess we could in every room. Look at this. Look at this. All our house is basically everywhere right now.